I'm Fiona Barry. I am Editor-in-Chief of PharmSource, part of GlobalData. And we're a data and analytics company covering a whole load of databases around pharmaceuticals and contract manufacturing. I am here to, hear what's going on basically in the cell and gene therapy space. What are the challenges from developers and manufacturers? And what are the successes? It's great to be here at Advanced Therapies Europe in Portugal. Fantastic weather here. I've been doing a lot of catching up with CMOs and cell and gene therapy companies for a big advanced therapies report. GlobalData is going to be putting out very soon. I'll also be seeing some old faces next week at Clinical Trial Supply West in San Francisco. And then, of course, the big ARM Alliance for Regenerative Medicine meeting in Phoenix very soon. So really looking forward to hearing from as many people as possible about the trends, the challenges that they're seeing, especially around supply chain and manufacturing for these therapies. I want to hear about decentralized manufacturing. I want to hear about closed systems. I want to hear, are viral vectors still that massive bottleneck for manufacturers, or are we thinking ahead? Is it AI now that we're working with? So hoping to catch up with as many people as I can.